chalk that
All right.
so we keep going.
4.6. Applications and models of exponential growth and decay.
Okay. I need to get a new math notebook. I only have one page left. Alright, really big. And I do my homework in it. Oh, there's another Reese's.
All right, finding doubling time for money.
Ooh, money. Love me some money.
Careful. You're gonna start sounding like me, and they're gonna start calling you a gold digger.
Oh God, did they start doing?
Yeah, and your password doors. Do you remember that?
It's okay. My Bible teacher told me I was a sinner because I had a gold iPhone. Because he thought it was made of pure gold.
That was so funny.
And I was
What
like,
if it
gee,
was?
thanks. It's like literally just a color, but.
It's like I love my gold iPhone.
You guys had phones?
How old do you think I am?
I know.
Jeez.
I know how old you are, but I don't know when the cell phone was invented. But I'm thinking because I was in like in middle school and you were in high school, so I'm thinking
You were not in middle school when I was
elementary
in high school.
And there was phones when I was in elementary school. I just didn't have one.
I didn't have one till 9th grade, so. Not because they weren't out, just because I didn't have one.
You're a sinner.
No, my first phone was a flip phone. It wasn't a center phone. Let me read. It wasn't a flip phone. It was one of those slide phones that had the keyboard that popped out.
Like the Blackberries?
No, I didn't have a BlackBerry. It was a touch screen. And then it had a slide out keyboard.
One of the fancy ones.
Oh, yeah. Real
I
fancy.
had one of those in my kindergarten.
Well, that's nice. I wasn't allowed to have a phone until high school. All right, how long
I guess I was gonna say.
will it take for money in an account
Alright.
that accrues interest at a rate of 3% compounded continuously
Hold up. So you said this won't take long?
to double. Correct.
Because I gotta study. Oh gosh. Oh man.
So the continuous compounding formula is A is equal to PE to the RT.
Ow, my cheek hurts. I accidentally cut it last night. And it's like was bleeding.
Yeah, I have a bump in like the side of mine and it hurts really bad.
It's okay. Everything's fine. Ow.
All right, so it doesn't tell us exactly how much money we started with, but we know that whatever we started with, we want it to double. So we put 2P is equal to P. So P is the principal amount. So we want to double the principal amount for the ultimate amount that we're looking for. E is a number raised to the RT. So R is the rate, which is 3%, but we can't put in percent, so we've got to change it to 0.03 times T. If we divide both sides by P, then it goes away. So 2 is equal to E to the 0.03T. I'm going to move my 2 to the other side so I can use my fancy method to solve. So then I need to solve for T, so I'm going to solve it by using a log. Log base E is ln of 2 is equal to 0.03 times t, or the ln of 2 divided by 0.03 is equal to t. And so t is equal to 23.1.
Wait, what the heck is our quiz on? Never mind.
So 23.1 years is how long it will take it to double the amount of money.
Oh man. That makes so much sense. And these sun goes out in hairs too when I do the flowers.
What?
Just talking to myself. I'm gonna eat another piece of chocolate. Seems like it'll help. I don't really think you can ever get enough. I mean, you probably can, but I've been really talkative today.
You always are.
Yeah, but like extra today. Well, I didn't really talk.
Again, always.
No, like extra.
It hasn't been like an astounding amount though.
Well, in other classes.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah, it wasn't as bad as it was.
All right, we're going to look at a population growth problem.
I hate word problems.
All right, so according to the U.S. Census Bureau, world population reached 6 billion. I guess I should specify people. During the year 1999.
6 billion
And was growing exponentially. By the end of 2010, the population had grown to 6.947 billion. The projected world population in billions or I should say in billions of people. T years after 2010 is given by the function f of t is equal to 6.947 e raised to the 0.00745 t. So we're going to answer this in two parts. So part A, based on this model, what will the population be in the year 2025? So the year 2010 is year 0, so t is equal to 0. So the year 2025, t would be equal to what? It's the number of years after 2010. 15. So then we just replace t in this equation with 15 and solve. So f of 15 is equal to 6.947 e raised to the 0.00745 times 15. That is 7.768 billion, because remember, we're using everything in billions of people.
Feels really short.
I hate
Honestly, I feel like it's flying by.
I hate Mondays though. They're so long.
Last week we didn't even have a Monday. All right, and then part B, if this trend continues, approximately when will the world population reach 9 billion? So now we need to solve for t. So are setting this equation that we were given to be equal to 9, because that'll be in billions. So we'll have 9 is equal to 6.947 e to the 0.00745 t. So I divide 9 by 6.947. So that's going to be e raised to the 0.00745 t is equal to 1.2955 and so on and so forth.
So what do you do to get that?
I just divided 9 by 6.947. So then I need to solve for t, so it's an exponential, so I use a log to undo it. Log base e is ln of 1.2955 is equal to 0.00745 t. Then I just divide by that number. So ln divided by 0.00745. So then t is equal to ln of that number divided by 0.00745 is 34.75 years. So that's how many years it'll take. So approximately when will the world population reach that? So we would do 2010 plus 34.75. So it'll be the year 2044 when we would expect to see the population at 9 billion.
You know what's so freaky? Is that that's not really that far away. And like I could live to that number. Like that is so freaky.
You should look to that number.
I don't know. I don't really see myself living past like the age of like 30.
That's only like 20 years from now.
I don't really see myself living past the age of 37. I'm gonna be completely honest.
I'm thinking you're gonna look to
I
be
just
like
can't-
95.
Well, I just can't picture it. Like I can't picture like, hey, my name's Lorelai, and I am
36.
37 years old. Like I can't picture that. I'm just gonna poof out of existence.
Oh gosh, homework already.
Told you we're just doing like a couple. All right, 31 and 32 would be like the first example. Hmm. Huh?
Is any like the world AP stats world?
The only one that has multiple parts is 38. And 38, we're just doing A and B. So 38 will be kind of like this one. It's a decrease in population. It's the only difference. But you solve it the same way.